Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play General's zero-hour network. First, ensure everyone has the exact same game version and any required updates. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth gameplay, so check your network before starting. This foundational step prevents many common issues, allowing for a much more enjoyable experience right from the start. To host a game, launch General's Zero Hour and select Multiplayer from the main menu. Then, choose Network or LAN and click Host Game. You can then pick your desired map, game mode, and other settings. Remember to set a password if you want to restrict who can join your match. Joining a game is straightforward. From the main menu, select Multiplayer, then Network or LAN. A list of available games should appear. Find the game you wish to join, click on it, and enter the password if one is set. Ensure your game version matches the hosts for a successful connection. If you encounter connection problems, first check your firewall to ensure General's Zero Hour is allowed. Sometimes, opening specific router ports can resolve issues. Consult your router's manual for guidance. For the most reliable experience, a wired Ethernet connection is always preferable over Wi-Fi, minimizing latency and disconnections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.